Although Jira allows you to export your data to Excel, you'll typically get more data than you want or need. Here's how to get just the Jira data you want in your spreadsheets using Visor. Step 1. The first thing you'll want to do is connect Jira to Visor. Visor's two-way syncing is easy and only takes minutes to set up. Next, only choose the Jira fields you want in your spreadsheet. This way, you're only importing the data that you want or really need. Color code and format your data right in Visor before sharing. Or you can export it to a CSV if you need to continue working in Excel. By syncing your Jira data with Visor, you'll always have up-to-the-minute information at your fingertips, whether you choose to export to Excel or not. And you'll avoid the pain of having multiple columns to clean up. And that's it. Now you know how to export your Jira data to Excel in Visor, or you can use Visor's connected spreadsheet to share your data.